I'm Rohan, the key holder of time and director of IT. And for the past 20 years, I've been helping businesses unlock hours of productivity they didn't realise they were losing. Picture this, 20 extra hours handed back to you every single month while your CRM works quietly in the background, making you money. What would you do with this extra time? More time with your family? More time for business growth? Yes. Most people believe they can manage their CRM system on their own until the overwhelm kicks in. Does this sound like you? Frustrated? Clicking through multiple apps? Repeating the same tasks over and over again while valuable time slips away? I've seen it time and time again. But what if I told you there's an easier way? Time is your most valuable asset. Let's unlock it together. Visit my website or drop me a WhatsApp. Let's start growing your business today.